All right, moving on. A court in Bangladesh has ordered authorities to seek an Interpol red notice against British lawmaker and Foreign Minister Tulip Siddiq over alleged corruption linked to a private real estate project in the capital. The order came after the Anti-Corruption Commission filed a petition requesting international assistance to secure her arrest. Investigators allege that Siddiq used her close family ties to former Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina to influence the allocation of a government land to a private company. Siddiq, who is Hasina's niece, has repeatedly denied the allegations, previously describing court rulings against her as flawed and farcical. She has also said that she is a British citizen and not a Bangladeshi national. There was no immediate response from Siddiq following the latest court order. Bangladesh courts have already sentenced Siddiq to a total of 6 years in prison in 3 separate corruption cases, all tied to alleged abuse of influence during Hasina's time in office. Siddiq resigned in January last year from her role as Economic Secretary to the Treasury under Prime Minister Keir Starmer. She cited mounting political pressure over her links to Hasina. Britain does not have an extradition treaty with Bangladesh. Now, Sheikh Hasina was ousted in 2024 amid a student-led mass uprising that ended her 15-year rule. She fled to neighboring India in August 2024 at the height of the protest and has remained there since then. She was later sentenced to death by a Bangladeshi court over her government's violent crackdown on demonstrators. Following Hasina's removal, Nobel laureate Muhammad Yunus led an interim administration that oversaw an election on February 12th. A new government was subsequently formed under Prime Minister Tariq Rahman, the son of Hasina's longtime rival and former Premier Khaleda Zia.